Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is More Tips Tech. On today's tutorial video lesson is going to be on rainbow, my new rainbow strategy, which I call the rainbow premier. So guys, this is how I turn my 4,000 naira to 6,000 naira with just one rollover strike. Yes, just one rollover strike. I could turn my 4,000 naira capital to 6,000 naira. Yes, I'm actually using 4,000 naira because that is the amount of money I can afford to lose. So if you want to use this pattern also, make sure you're using the amount you know you can afford to lose as well. You can stake as much as possible as you like. All right, so let's go into it. So I'll be going into my for Ninja Casino. Just watch. Please, sorry about the background of the noise. I'm actually in the office while I'm doing this. All right, so now I'll be reading the stats and I'll be studying doing my calculations behind, which you won't be seeing here, but my workings and everything is going to determine if I'm actually right or wrong, because I'm going to be striking as soon as I see the signal which I'm going to be using. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you can get my videos, my lessons anytime, any day I upload. All right, so guys, one thing I want you to know when it comes to rainbow is that it's not as easy as you think, most especially when you are dealing with rainbow 2 plus or either 3 plus. It's not as easy as you think. You see, I know some people might say, okay, you can just guess and get the rainbow, get the color is going to come, but it's not every time guessing might works for you. You can see we are dealing on 2 plus, so how can we say that okay, this one is going to come next or that one is going to come next? We do not know. That is where the secret lies on. So that is where the pattern comes in. So it is the use of the pattern, the work of the pattern, that will help us to be able to predict what color is going to come or what color is going to show next. All right, so now let's go guys. Okay. All right, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll be making my calculations and I'll be trying to study the signal very fast. So this is an 26. The signal is not yet balanced as I'm looking at it. Let me count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's not balanced, so I had to wait. Okay, let's refresh. All right, so I go to my rainbow statistics to check, my rainbow frequency, to check some accurate stats. There are some frequencies I need to see here also to balance my calculations also. All right. Okay, another thing I want you guys to know is that, you see, this is for Nigeria of a thing. It pays very well, but it only pays for those who can afford to face their fears. All right, if you don't have a very standable pattern, you don't dare this thing, you don't dare it. All right, so we are dealing with 1.50 odds, and it is very, very easy if you have a good pattern. Like I said earlier, this is my rainbow premier. Like I said, this is rainbow premier. So this my rainbow premier will give you the full access to get at least 3 to 4 rollover in a day. Yeah, 3 to 4 rollover in a day. All right, but you need to be very, very careful when you're dealing with it. So now I've seen one signal here which I'm going to be using. So I'll be going on a ready to come. I'm using my 4,000 naira. You can actually use more than 4,000 naira if you want, if you know you can afford to lose it. All right, so let's watch. We're gonna be having red now. Just watch, guys. Can you see that? Let me screenshot this. So you can actually use more than 4,000 naira to get any amount. You can actually use more than 4,000 if you have it. You can use 10,000, you can use 15,000, you can use 12,000. In fact, you can use 20k. if you know you have it. It's very simple. All right, so now we've gotten our first rollover. If I want to get another second rollover, then I have to wait, then calculate the system and go to my frequency table again and read the stats here before I can go for another one. It's about reading the stats, and it's about capturing when the signal is fully right. Yes, capturing when the signal is fully right at the right time. You need to know when to capture the signal, when the signal is asking you to play. And there are things and things you need to watch. So this is my Rainbow Premier, which tells you when and what to play. All right. So now this is we'll make our rollover, and it has given us 6,000, which was my own aim to come to the system and get, and I've gotten it. So you don't have to be greedy. I have to log out. For those who want to go more than that, then you have to study the statistics again, then make your calculations well, then you go back again and predict. All right, it's so simple. You can stake as high as you want, but please make sure that it is money you can afford to lose. All right, but this pattern has been very good. It has been working perfectly ever since I've been using it. I have a high and low premier also, but that's not for today. This one is Rainbow Premier, which is working accurate. So guys, so that's just all about the rainbow I have to explain to you guys. So see you guys on my next video. I know some of you guys will be like, if I know I'm sure about the pattern, why do I use small amounts? Like I said before, if you have more than that, you can stake it. Okay, in as much the signal, the pattern you're using is accurate, it doesn't matter the amount you're staking with. I hope you understand what I'm saying now. So let's log out, because I want to show some guys now. Some guys will be like, maybe I was using demo account because I don't like showing more of my details, but I just want to show this one. This is a new account, so I don't mind showing it. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So it is a real account, not a demo account. All right. So see you guys on my next video. Stay blessed and have a wonderful day. Bye.